Okay, John wants to measure the height of a tree. I'll make a tree. He walks 100 feet from the base, looks up. The angle from the ground is 33. How tall is the tree to the nearest foot? There's my X. I need to find the height. That's the opposite side, that's the adjacent side. Tangent of 33 equals opposite over adjacent. So I need to multiply to solve. 100 times tan 33. 64.9. So 65 feet. Airplane's flying at a height 2 miles above the ground. There's my airplane. The distance from along the ground from the airplane to an airport is 5 miles. What's the angle of depression from the airplane to the nearest degree? That's this angle. It's the same as this angle. It's always that corner angle right there. Opposite adjacent, TOA, tangent. So tangent of theta equals 2/5. So to solve it, I need to do second tan 2/5. 21.8 degrees to the nearest degree is 22 degrees. Last one, tree was planted. An artist, 40-foot, you tied a 40-foot piece of rope to it. As the tree grew, the rope rose with the tree, so that it moved up. Years later, when you pull the rope tight, you end up 24 feet away from the tree. I guess we didn't tie it tight the first time. So it's 24 feet from the tree. How tall is the tree now? We need to find this side. Okay, x squared plus 24 squared equals 40 squared. Solve it on your calculator. 40 squared minus 24 squared, square root of my answer, 32. They also could have asked, what's this angle of elevation? And that would be adjacent over hypotenuse. So cosine, call that A if you want, of A equals 24 over 40. They didn't ask that, but it could have. Second cosine 24 over 40, 53.1 degrees. So that covers all the different problems. Make sure when you make your note card, you have your rules about how to find if something's a triangle and how to find out what kind of triangle it is. Everything else you probably know. Make yourself some notes, but not too many notes.